For homeowners in Redmond, choosing the right windows is about more than just looks, it's about comfort, efficiency, and enhancing your living space. Casement windows, known for their side-hinged design that opens outward like a door, have become increasingly popular in Redmond residences. They combine style with practical benefits, making them a smart choice for local homeowners. Here are the top reasons why installing casement windows can be a game-changer for your home. Superior ventilation. One of the standout advantages of casement windows is the way they open. Unlike sliding or double-hung windows that only allow partial airflow, casement windows open fully outward. This design captures breezes from different directions, funneling fresh air into your home. In Redmond, where residents enjoy mild summers and refreshing breezes, this feature helps maintain indoor comfort without over-relying on air conditioning. Better airflow also means a healthier indoor environment, as fresh air circulation reduces stuffiness and improves overall air quality. Energy efficiency. Casement windows are among the most energy-efficient styles available. When closed, the sash presses tightly against the frame, creating a strong seal that prevents drafts and heat transfer. This makes them particularly effective in Redmond's cooler, damp winters, where maintaining consistent indoor warmth is essential. Pairing casement windows with energy-efficient glass options, like double or triple panes with low-E coatings, further reduces energy loss. Homeowners can enjoy lower utility bills while keeping their homes comfortable year-round. Enhanced natural light and views. Casement windows feature large, uninterrupted glass panes, making them ideal for maximizing natural light. Whether you're overlooking Redmond's lush greenery or your own backyard, these windows provide wide, clear views without the obstruction of window rails. Natural light brightens your living space, creates a more welcoming atmosphere, and can even help reduce reliance on artificial lighting during the day. For homeowners who want both function and beauty, casement windows deliver on both fronts. Improved security. Safety is always a priority, and casement windows provide excellent security features. Their locking mechanisms are embedded within the frame and often operate at multiple points along the sash. This makes them difficult for intruders to force open from the outside. Additionally, because casement windows open outward, the hardware and hinges are inaccessible from indoors, adding another layer of protection for Redmond families. Easy operation. Casement windows typically use a simple crank handle for operation, making them easy to open and close, even in hard-to-reach areas like over kitchen sinks or countertops. This ease of use is especially beneficial for older homeowners or those who want low-maintenance solutions without sacrificing functionality. Stylish and versatile design. Casement windows are available in a wide range of styles, finishes, and frame materials. Whether your Redmond home leans modern, traditional, or somewhere in between, casement windows can be customized to fit seamlessly with your home's architecture. They also pair beautifully with other window styles. For example, combining casement windows with picture windows creates both aesthetic appeal and ventilation, while maintaining unobstructed views. Final thoughts. Casement windows offer Redmond homeowners a winning combination of beauty, functionality, and efficiency. From superior ventilation and natural light to energy savings and security, these windows enhance both daily living and long-term home value. If your current windows are outdated, drafty, or difficult to operate, it may be time to consider upgrading to casement windows. With professional installation, you'll enjoy a noticeable improvement in comfort, aesthetics, and performance, making your home brighter, safer, and more energy efficient.